Hello everyone, my name is Sumanuja. I am completed my machine learning intern at Unified Mentor. Today I'll be presenting my second project. So going to the Google Chrome, then going to the share.streamline.ir where my project is deployed. You can see this is my project. Then this is my project title. Wait a minute, is coming. This is my project title: customer engagement and product utilization analytic for retention strategy for European Central Bank. In this project i analyze data set of 10,000 bank customer across three countries. The countries France, Spain and Germany. In three countries the customer chance rate is 20.4%, means 2037 among these 10,000 bank customer are left the bank. The average balance the bank is 76,486 euros. According to the customer, I can draw. I will draw. I will draw the four graph. First graph is chance rate by country. You can see the Germany has higher chance rate at 32.4%. That is double rate of France and Spain. This indicates a serious retention problem specific to the Germany market that required immediate action. Then going to the second graph is chance by engagement profiles. I classified customer into four engagement profile: active engaged, active low product, inactive disengaged, inactive high balance. You can see active engaged customer chance at 9.7%, while inactive disengaged customer chance at 36.7%. That is proof that engage is the number of drive of customer loyalty. Going down to the my third graph, this graph is chance by number of product. The most powerful finding is the product depth analysis. Then you can customer with three, you can see the customer with three product chance at only 7.6% compared to 27.7% for single product customer. However, customer with three or four product chance at 82.82% and 100%. It's indicate serious overbuilding problem. This graph represent the serious overbuilding problem. Okay, going to the fourth graph. The fourth graph is chance by retention trial. Using the retention strength index, I classify customer into retention trial: high, medium, low and very low. You can see high retention trial customer chance at only 14.6%, while very low tired customer chance at 35.1%, experimentally 35%. The dashboard is fully sorry, I forgot. You can see this is my data set is given below. You can see that the dashboard also identify 1584 inactive customer with balance uh, above 100,000 euros, whose are the slightly at risks for churning. This premium customer required immediate re-engage. Okay, you can see in the my left side, the dashboard is fully interactive with filter by country. If I remove France and Spain, you can see the graph will be automatically changed. And if I can change, if you can change by gender, if you select only male, then the graph will be changed automatically. And you can also select by which is active, which is inactive. If you can see in Germany, inactive bank member, you can see the graph will be automatically changed. This is fully fully interactive with filtering. It's help bank manager to drill down the specific customer segment. And this is my overview of this project. In this project, throughout this project, I gain experience in customer behavior analysis, engage classification, retention serializing, and building interactive dashboard using Python and Streamlit. And sorry for my bad English, and thank you for your watching.